Traffic is okay, but we don't have a break. It is looks like a back at it Monday. 6:32. Let's go back to the desk.
Boy, it sure does. Thank you, Sal. White House sources indicate the Trump administration will revoke student visas for hundreds of college students across the country.
And Pam, that includes some students at UC Berkeley and Stanford. KTVU's James Torres is already on the Berkeley campus now to tell us how school officials are responding. Good morning, James.
And good morning to you both. We heard from Cal leaders over the weekend saying 6 of its current and former students did see their visas revoked. That's one example out of several stories like that we're hearing all across the country, especially in the state of California. UC Berkeley releasing a statement saying, in part, we are committed to doing what we can to support all members of our community as they exercise their rights under the law. In doing that, the university will continue to follow all applicable state and federal laws. Officials say those students are being offered resources and encouraged to find lawyers. It's a similar situation at Stanford University, where school leaders there saying 6 of its former and current students also saw visas revoked. Other schools like UC San Diego, UCLA, and UC Davis reporting the same thing. One immigration attorney says doing this without any warning or heads up is unprecedented.
At that point in time, you no longer have authorization to be in the United States. And in theory, the government could initiate removal proceedings or deportation proceedings against you.
About 300 visas have been revoked nationwide, and in each of those cases, university officials say they've not heard of any specific reasons for why these visas were taken away. Earlier this year, the Trump administration and its officials launched a plan to tackle what they call an anti-Semitism on college campuses. They say part of that is to look at students engaged in political activism criticizing the U.S. You may remember we saw many pro-Palestinian protests on college campuses in the last year, though it's not clear if the visas revoked at those campuses were involved in any of those demonstrations. We're live this morning in Berkeley. I'm James Torres, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
All right, James, thank you.